Often during the design and implementation phase, we'd come to a situation where what we've planned is not working out, or what we've planned is over the budget. So, for example, we were designing our terrace, and the roofing, the square feet of the roofing was coming out to be 3,000 square feet, which was very high, and we had very fruitful discussions with the team, and the good interior design team took their time, made sure that the square foot is calculated correctly, and yes, finally the square footage was calculated as 1200, and the adjustments were made to the budget as well, to the costing. So it's very, very open, transparent with the team. Dennis and I, we connected, and the very first meeting, I could feel that he understood my dream and what I wanted my house to be like. He immediately got to work, and within a span of 15 days, our house was ready. So commitment and keeping up with the deadlines, and making sure that even though there's a time crunch, the work is of good quality is what I really admire and respect about the team. Other designers lack the finesse, they lack the design, the vision, the ideas, the latest, working around with technology, working with new material. These are the things that are lacking. They always suggest the same old material that is used by everyone across. But Dennis is open to try new things, and any suggestions, any ideas given even during the implementation phase are thought about, and they are executed brilliantly. And it's like working together. I mean, there are no arguments, there are no misunderstandings or any kind of bad feeling while working with them. The juniors who supervise, some things are overlooked by the juniors, so more presence from Dennis or Jisha on the field to look at every step is being done properly. Yes, they are corrected later. However, I would prefer if they are present on the field more. So there are a lot of people who come to visit our house and to check out the work being done, and I know of a few people who have copied the designs that have been put in place by Dennis and team. Everyone call our house a perfect Instagrammable place. I think my daughter's friends really love it. They were the first ones to visit after we've done our terrace, and they just loved every bit of it. When you ask about what the other interior people lacked, which Dennis and team fixed for us, was my daughter's bedroom. Okay, so it was so messed up because the cupboards were done brilliantly by the other team. However, the placement of the cupboards was in such a way that we were not able to put the bed, a normal sized bed, in its original position with two side lamps and all of that. So it was a big disappointment because it was a master bedroom. It was a huge disappointment. And when Dennis and team were hired, that was one of the things that I wanted them to fix. And it was so difficult to undo someone else's work and then make it look beautiful. So we brainstormed and we came up with solutions. Though it was a difficult task, they did pull it off really well, and the room looks beautiful now. Well, in a nutshell, the Good Interior Design team, Jisha and Dennis, have made my dream come alive. They understood our requirement very well, and they have delivered much more than what we expected. And the process was smooth. The team was meticulous in planning, and the workers are very neat. I mean, I really love the finish that they've given to every little project that we've given to them. And I think it's more than a professional relationship with the team now. And I think I would recommend Dennis and team to anyone who wants their house to be different, and different from the usual way the houses are designed. So thank you, Good Interior Design.